You've definitely heard the name Vaseline, right? You probably even use it. But do you actually know that this tiny jar of petroleum jelly can make you look more attractive, cleaner, and more confident? Yes, man. It's not just for dry lips. If you know how to use it smartly, it can literally become your secret grooming weapon. The kind that makes your face glow, keeps your lips soft, and your overall look fresh. People spend so much on expensive creams and serums. But today I'm going to tell you 5 Vaseline tricks that are simple, effective, and useful for every guy. Whether it's winter or summer, these hacks will level up your appearance and your confidence. And listen, watch till the end, because I'll share a bonus Vaseline hack that will make you look noticeably better the very next morning. So let's begin, starting with lip care. Because honestly, your lips create the very first impression on your face. Whether you're going to college, hitting the gym, or talking to someone casually, if your lips are dry, cracked, or turning white, your whole look starts to feel dull. Lips are the center point of the face, and when they're clean, hydrated, and soft, your entire personality looks fresh and attractive. The trick is simple. Before sleeping, apply a thin layer of Vaseline on your lips. It locks in moisture overnight, and by morning, your lips feel naturally soft, hydrated, and smooth. But if you want even faster results, try a quick hack. Mix a little coconut oil with Vaseline, and using a soft toothbrush, gently rub your lips for 10 to 15 seconds. This removes dead skin, improves blood circulation, and makes your lips naturally pink and healthy, without any fancy product, especially in winters. This hack is literally a lifesaver, and soft lips don't just make you look fresh, they give a clean, confident vibe. Now, the first area of your face where tiredness shows up is under the eyes. Whether you were watching Netflix all night or studying till late, the next morning, dullness, dryness, and dark circles are clearly visible, and this one small thing ruins the freshness of your entire face. But the good news is, Vaseline can fix this easily. Before sleeping, take a tiny amount on your fingertip and gently apply it under your eyes. A thin layer is enough. It creates a moisture barrier that locks your natural oils and protects the skin from dryness. Within a few days, you'll clearly feel the difference. The skin becomes softer, the darkness slightly fades, and your face looks fresher and more awake. This works especially well in cold weather when the skin gets extra dry. A clean face never feels complete unless your eyebrows and eyelashes are properly groomed. Most guys ignore these tiny details, but honestly, these are the details that make your face look sharp and masculine. Just take a tiny bit of Vaseline on your fingertip or a small brush and apply it evenly on your brows and lashes. It does 2 things. First, it sets your brows in shape and tames those random hairs. Second, it adds a healthy, subtle shine that instantly gives your face a polished, clean vibe. And if you use it regularly, your brows become naturally softer and more manageable, and your lashes feel a bit thicker and healthier. Have you ever noticed how some people's faces naturally glow on camera or in good lighting? It's not expensive highlighters. It's a simple hack. Just take a tiny bit of Vaseline and gently dab it on your cheekbones and the bridge of your nose. It gives instant shine and freshness, like your skin is naturally hydrated. This hack is perfect for days when your face feels dull, like winter mornings or long college days. Vaseline works like a natural highlighter. It reflects light and gives your skin a subtle glow without makeup, without looking fake. And the best part, the glow doesn't look oily, just clean, healthy, and confident. Fragrance is something that not only attracts people, but also makes them remember you. But the problem is, perfumes fade away after a few hours. With one simple Vaseline hack, you can make your fragrance last almost twice as long. Before applying perfume, take a little Vaseline and rub it on your wrists and neck. Then, spray perfume on the exact same spots. Vaseline creates a moisture base. The perfume molecules stick to it, and the fragrance releases slowly. That's why it stays noticeable throughout the day. This hack is especially useful when you're going to college, the gym, or a date, and you want a clean masculine aura to stay with you all day. And the best part, even a normal body spray starts smelling premium and long-lasting with this trick. A small step, but a strong impact. Because fragrance creates the first impression and stays till the end. If you thought Vaseline is just for lips or face, then listen to this bonus hack. You'll be surprised. It works like a full body repair cream. Before sleeping, apply a little Vaseline on your dry elbows, heels, knees, and lips. You can even rub some on your nails and cuticles. By morning, your skin and nails will feel soft and hydrated. If your face feels dry at night, apply a tiny amount under your eyes and around the corners of your nose. It repairs the skin overnight and gives your face a natural glow by morning. This simple trick gives you a soft, clean look everywhere, without any fancy cream. So yeah, these were the 5 smart Vaseline tricks that work not only in winter, but all year round. One product, and your entire grooming setup is done. Now, it's not about just watching, it's about trying. Add any 2 or 3 of these hacks to your daily routine and see the difference yourself. Your skin will look cleaner, and your confidence will feel next level. So, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments, which Vaseline trick did you find the most useful?